Hey everybody, it's Mark, the Mental Marketer. Have you ever wondered how you can combine NFC technology with funnels? In this video, I show you how to combine the two so that you never miss out on capturing a lead. Let's get to the video today. I spoke to you the other day about QR technology. The QR technology where you have a barcode and you scan it with a app that's on your mobile phone, and mobile phones are just a way to actually capture leads when you're in the real world. Well, today I'm going to talk about the same type of strategy except with NFC technology, near field communication. Near field communication is different than the scanning of the barcode because you just have to have two devices near each other that have this same technology, and it will transfer information from one device to the other just by touching those two devices together. How cool is that? And from the chart that I showed the other day, we could see that this type of technology is actually growing faster than the QR technology. There can definitely be some reasons why. Most mobile phones have the capability. Some mobile phones don't, especially the older models. You should check the settings on your phone to find out if your phone has the NFC technology. And I'll put a little display right here showing you what that setting looks like. Once you have the NFC technology on your phone, you'll need something to transfer to. And what I like is this little puppy right here. Let's see if I can get a close up for you. You see what that says? Tap here with your phone. Let's get a focus on it. This can carry all of your contact information right here. This particular card is a blue card. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description somewhere, or maybe I'll leave a QR code somewhere here on the screen. So if you did want to order one of these, you can. Okay, so I'm actually recording from my cell phone, so I won't be able to show you the physical tapping of this to the phone, but maybe I'll find a video of myself doing that previously, and that's how you will tap this to the back of the phone. Now, once you get this card, tap this to the back of your phone, and it takes you to a owner portal. And in this owner portal, you'll be able to update a lot of different options on this card. As you can see, Instagram, Venmo, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Apple Music, Spotify, PayPal, SoundCloud, a website link to Blue, phone number, email, and physical address. Once you have that all set up, you hit the save button, and all of that information is saved on this card. Pretty simple setup. Now, how do you use it? Once you have all your information on this card, let's say you're out somewhere and you talking to someone and you meet them and you want to exchange information. They love your product. They love your service. They want to schedule an appointment. They want to become a member of your group. They want to become a subscriber on your list. Whatever conversation, or maybe they want more information. These are the options that you'll have to actually exchange contact information. And that exchange could be email address, contact information, or Instagram page. I'm going to be showing you some of the options that I've filled in. I haven't filled in all of the options on my card, but I have filled in some. These are some of the options that I have filled in, and you'll see my information right here. Now, the two things that I really like, especially about this card specifically, I don't know if it's available on all NFC technology cards, but it's available on this one specifically. That is one, the YouTube link. The YouTube link, you can link a person directly to a sales video of yours or a demo video of yours. either which way you choose, but you can direct them directly to that demo video, as like my example right here. The second thing I love about this card is the website link. I personally like to direct them to my Mental Marketer Tools page. Now, the Mental Marketers Tools page is a page where I keep all of the useful tools for online businesses. So I can direct them to this page and down to a particular item that they might need in their business at the time, whether it be a email marketing service, a product creation product, or it might be funnel building. I have several online tools for business owners that they can use, and that takes them directly there. So I love that about this card. This is another way that you can use a physical interaction to send people to your funnel.